Welcome back to Boss Lady's Kitchen. In case you're new here, kindly subscribe to my channel. And today we'll be doing a very simple recipe, which is chicken curry. Hope you guys will enjoy. And to our ingredients. Okay, today we'll be having three large onions, 3 tomatoes, one full pilipili hoho or capsicum, a pinch of ginger, a pinch of garlic, and birighanya, 1 full birighanya. For the spices, we'll be having Spanish paprika, but this one is optional. We'll be using a half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of garam masala, a teaspoon of chicken masala, obviously a pinch of salt to taste, and a teaspoon of tomato paste. And the main ingredient, which is the chicken. So onto our sufuria, we'll be using cooking oil and let it heat for like 3 seconds or 5 seconds. Reheat it, just preheating it, so that we can put our onions, our finely chopped onions. So we put our onions. We'll be cooking them till they become goldish or golden brown. So guys, for me nimemise kidogo, nimeweka mafuta mingi kwa sufuria, but sio shida. So uta drain tu oil yenye unataka. So tuna drain mafuta because tulikuwa tumeka mingi, na unajua kuna kuku zinakuanga na mafuta yake. So unatoa tu kidogo, unaweka kwa container, but hatumwagi mafuta. We'll be using it for the next food that I'll be cooking. Okay? Yeah. Haya, utakuwa unakoroga vitunguu zako ndio zisishike chini, so unazikoroga gently mpaka zikwe almost goldish brown. Then ndo tutaweka ginger na garlic. The reason why I don't put my ginger and garlic on this stage because sababu ukiweka garlic kwa kitunguu sasa ile inaiva itachomeka. Then sasa the moment the garlic ikichomeka, food inakuwa kali. Unaona, so the food is not tasty. So that's why inachanga kwanza kitunguu ikaribia almost golden brown. Then I put my ginger and garlic just for like 3 seconds or so. Then I put my kuku. I'll be showing you guys shortly. Okay, so after like 3 minutes or so, depending on the heat that you're using, for us hatuna haraka, tunatumia just low heat, but kama uko na maharaka, you can use medium heat. Okay, so at this stage unaona venye ziko almost brown, they're almost turning brown. So I put my garlic first and my ginger, and the ginger and the garlic what tuna grate, so you can grate them. The reason why I grate them because sababu like when you cut them into pieces, mtu anaweza zisikia kwa chakula, and you know the ginger ni kali, so when you grate them they produce a nice smell na kuna mtu atasikia hiyo ni ginger na kula. You get me? So we give it a mix for like 1 to 2 minutes ndio zisichomeke, na hapo usiziache then zive peke yake because hiyo garlic itachomeka. So unazikoroga tu pole pole, then we'll put our chicken after that. Yeah, so let them simmer up. Okay, me wakati napika, the smell of the ginger, garlic na onions, it produces a very nice smell, a very nice one. So after 2 minutes or so, wakati ginger na garlic imeiva kidogo, we put the main ingredient, which is the chicken. And the reason why naikanga kuku at this stage ndio kuku iweze kukarangika na ginger, garlic na kitunguu. Sawa? Okay, let's do this. Animosha mikono by the way. So hapa utakoroga chicken unaikoroga gently pole so that kitunguu iende kila mahali kwa chicken. And after kuikoroga for like a minute or so, aya tutaifunika ndio iweze kukarangika vizuri, na hapa tuipatie masaa mingi, just a minute, alafu we'll be putting our hoho next. Okay, after 1 minute tukoroge sasa, isha karangika ndio kuku, like it produces a nice aroma. Sasa kuku inatakuwa venye ilikuwa boiled up, inakuwa na hiyo harufu ya kajinja, garlic hapo hivyo na onions, ndio. So after doing this, we will put our hoho. We tumia 1 large hoho, na itumie ikiwa full. Then kawaida you mix it up. Make sure kuku yote imeshika hiyo hoho poa. And for the hoho, you can cut them into cubes, to small cubes. Naonanga watu wengine they love like hoho ikiwa pieces moja karefu, which is okay. Na pia kuna watu wapendi hizo taste uziona, so you can just grate the hoho kama utaki ionekane kwa full. But for us, what we do, I just cut them into small equal portions. But kama wewe ni wazile kubwa, well and good. Okay, so after putting your hoho and mixing it nicely, we put our 3 layers of onions. Lakini hapa sasa tuzikorogi, but you put it evenly. Usiweke nyanya mahali pamoja, isiive place moja. Unaiweka kwa kuku yote like that. And for me, I prefer my tomatoes grated, kwa sababu mimi sipendi kuona nyanya kisha iva, unaona hizo two particles. So you grate them, or if you have a blender, you can blend them, okay? Or you can cut it into small cubes, whatever you prefer. And so we'll be doing a tomato paste. Tutakuwa tunaongeza tomato paste, just a teaspoon, ndio hiyo supu itokee fiti. A teaspoon, na isijai sana, like this. That's enough tomato paste. Now onto our spices. Of course, the main spice is chicken masala. You can get it in any of the supermarkets. So I'll be putting 1 full teaspoon of chicken masala. Alafu unazimwagilia kila mahali. Usiweke into one part. Sasa hiyo kuku itakuwa na spice part moja tu pekee yake. Then next I'll be doing my garam masala. And hii chicken masala inasaidianga like kutoa hiyo harufu ya chicken ikiwa boiled up. Okay? Then I'll be doing my garam masala. For Boss Lady's Kitchen, mnajua like any food that I cook, garam masala is the main ingredient. Sikosangi garam masala. It's such a warm, nice spice. A full teaspoon of garam masala. And I'll be using turmeric. Turmeric, what it does, it's going to change color, but it has benefits. And if you don't have the turmeric powder, you can use the turmeric. Ile turmeric inakaa kama ginger ya soko. Unaitumia too. It's just the same. So for this one, we'll be doing a half a teaspoon, because ukiweka full turmeric, kuku yako itakuwa yellow, like really yellow. So you just put a bit, a half. Hata ukiweza quarter, hii tu ni kiasi. Usiweke mingi sana, because you can see the color huwa ina change color haraka sana. So if you put a lot, it will mess up your food. Then I'll be using the last spice for the day, which is Spanish paprika. We just call it paprika. And paprika, okay, if you have it, you can use it. But kama hauna, usitense, tuko too fiti. Yeah. Tumia kama hauna, it's okay. A teaspoon of paprika. And at this stage, tutakuja tuongezea wa salt to taste. Watu wangu uniogopa sana na salt kwa familia yangu. but put salt to taste venye mtataka, but for me I use a teaspoonful of salt. Kama ni kidogo ongeza, kama ni mingi usinifuate, eka 3/4 teaspoon ama half. Guys, mnaangalia sufuria yangu venye inakaa, just check it Ona mautamu tu. Cheki tu venye hiyo chicken imeweza Unaona venye hizo spices zina nini tu, zina blend na bado hazijaiva. We're just putting them, then we wait zive. And you can be using a chicken cube. Hii ni kama tu chicken cube, the same. If you can get chicken cubes, you can use 2. So tule tureiko tudogo chicken cubes, just 2 are enough. Or if you don't have it at your shop, you can use this one, the satchet one. It's just the same. So tutaeka yote. Hii usiogope, hii inanga a strong flavor. It's not that strong, so you can just put it, the whole of it. And our last spice, that's why I'm cooking chicken curry. That's why it's chicken curry. It's the curry powder. But if you don't have the curry powder, you can use the curry cubes. Easy. It's just the same as the curry powder. So if you have the curry powder, well and good. If you don't have the curry powder, you can use the curry cubes. Okay? Yeah. So I'll be using the whole nini curry cube. Lakini hisa unaweza yeka yote ama unaweza crush. How I do it, naikanga hivyo, then I crush it. Pole tu. Ivenye sina supu. If I'm using kama tuseme ni ndengu nini, tunaeka tu, unachota tu kasupu kidogo, then you put it. Okay? So when you crush it, unaiweka, but you balance it, tuseke mahali pamoja. And then after that, we'll be using our birighanya. I have a birighanya or full, depending on the size. Kama birighanya yako ni kubwa, just cut it. Use the half of it, and I'll be putting it. Why I use the birighanya kwa chicken, on my chicken curry, let me give you a kitchen hack. Huwa ina thicken the soup. So hata kama unapika ndengu, unapika nini, be using the birighanya on your soup. It thickens the soup. So it will thicken the chicken curry. Haikai kama maji ya Wakikuyu. Poleni sana nimewachomea but yeah, and courgettes. Unazimwagilia tu, they are grated by the way. Na msikuje kuweka hapa macarrot, haki atupiki chakula za Wakikuyu. Hakuna makarati, mawaru, agake, maji mingi. So imetosha. And as you can see, sasa tutaifunika. Everything is inside. Chumvi, spices zote, nini nyingine, kuku, kila kitu tuko sawa. So tuifunike. Let us give it 10 to 15 minutes. Na usikoroge. Naona mimi sijakoroga chakula yangu. Ngojea kwanza ipe 10 minutes. Then after 10 minutes using the low heat, unakuja unaikoroga vizuri. Then I'll show you guys how you're doing it. Okay, so guys, nilikuwa nimesahau one ingredient, but haina shida because this is the last ingredient that you need. Si ati itapikwa. I don't cook my dhanias. So unakata two leaves peke yake, because when you put the stems watu watasikia ijaiva. So you just cut the leaves, alafu unaiosha vizuri, and you put your kitchen ever clean because we are cooking. Lazima ukwe msafi, ngosha mikono, the matiani way, sorry, motahi kagwe, the famous motahi kagwe. We wash your hands, okay? So I'm doing garnishing my dhanias, and before I garnish them I have to cut them into pieces kidogo. Yeah, so I'm just cutting my dhanias. Ukiona hapa nyuma yangu chakula tu inaendelea kuiva. So we are garnishing them, nazikata. And don't put your dhanias kama usizivishe. Hizi zinatoa a nice aroma zikiwa hivi kama hujazipika. Then after like kuku imeiva, you just put them, unazimia kwanza tu, unazima moto, then you put them, then unakoroga, and the food is ready to be eaten. The food is ready to be eaten by your family, your people. See no? Alright, I'm done. So let's check our chicken curry. Ile inaendelea. put it aside. So okay, so after like 10 minutes or 7 minutes depending on your heat, unakuja unaangalia chini, make sure kuku yako isishike chini. So as you can see yangu chini haijashika. Unaona? Bado soup iko poa. Isiguze sufuria, you see? So you mix it up. Unaona spices zingine ziko hapa juu, so we have to koroga ndio sasa spices ive vizuri. So unaikoroga gently, usipigane na sufuria pole pole, kuku zisianguke. Nicely. Make sure like inashika content yote. Like hizo spices blend up kwa the whole chicken. See, kuku isha change color. I don't know if you guys have noted it. Nona, kuku isha change color. So ndio hiyo. After kukoroga sasa. Na bado haijaiva. So let's give it 2 to 3 minutes ama 4 minutes. Isikae sana. Sasa tu ni spices iive. Mtu asikuje kuweka maji kama spices haijaiva cause hiyo kuku itakuwa imebako kabisa. So just be gentle with your food, with your kitchen. Twende pole pole. Anza mapema, usikimbizane na process, unangangana na spices, unaweka maji nini, slowly tu. So acha ive, spices zikuka. It's very important. Yeah. Okay, so guys, bado kuku yetu inaiva. Tunangoja spices zive vizuri, lakini ukumbuke isishike chini, usiwache sana. So like for me it's like 3 minutes, so I'm waiting like for 2 minutes. Alafu ikishaiva, I'll be putting my next ingredient, which is water. Na hii tu ni ya kudhicken soup, at least chicken curry iko na soup, but atuweki hapa malita mingi. Maana zibeba lita 5 kama Wakikuyu warurashio. Pole pole tu, maji tu ni pole pole, okay? So as we wait for it to cook, alafu sheka maji. So guys, after like 2 minutes, that's easy to, okay, after 5 minutes ya kulete spices kuka, unaikoroga vizuri kwanza before uweke maji. Na maji yetu tunaweka kidogo, just a small portion. Yeah. So we'll be putting our water. Na maji ni kidogo tu. Kidogo. Na unai spread hivyo. So naweka maji ndio itupate tu supu kidogo, just a thick soup. Tuweki na maji mingi. Then give it 5 minutes. 5 minutes mpaka isima. We're waiting for it to simmer up. Ikisha boil, your maji ikisha boil, the food is ready. Then we put our last ingredient, which is the Dhania. Yes, so let's wait for 5 minutes and we'll be back. The process ya kuboil, unasikia hiyo sound na inatoa ni to bubbles ama, yeah, you can say bubbles. So unaipea time iboil up yote, then we will ondo ikaipoa na inakaa fiti, as you can see. Yeah, this is our chicken curry by yours truly, Boss Lady's Kitchen. Yes, and guys, by the way, I have other videos like the pancake recipe, my pancake recipe. I have a mahamri recipe, and for the chicken I will be doing this. So the moment you guys will be watching this video, the other chicken curry will be deleted because I nilipewa complaints because of the sound. Tulikuwa na issues because of the sound, and I saw it was better and good for my people, for my subscribers, to get good quality, and of course the best quality from Boss Lady's Kitchen. So the sound will be okay as you guys will be viewing this video. And of course there are new things that I've added from the last chicken curry, and I have a pilau recipe. Okay, so guys, kuku yetu after 5 minutes, these are the final looks there. And kuku yetu imeboil up. Ndio aka kasupu ketu. Unakaona ka thick soup. Unaona hakuna mamaji hapa. Hivyo. Hivyo. Sasa unaikoroga vizuri. Unaikoroga. Unaona sasa hata supu ni kama hakuna hizo mamaji. You can see. Sasa it's just a thick soup. Na the thick soup ni kwa sababu hiyo birighanya, chicken masala and the curry cubes. It thickens the soup. So the moment you put water, na umeka hizo spices na the birighanya, it thickens the soup. But kama ungekuwa umeweka ingeka maji. And one thing, kuna watu, of course they don't love spices on their food, ama they are affected when they take spices. So for the people who don't cook with spices or spices in effect, what you can do, you can just follow the whole recipe. Toa after nyanya kwenye nimeka nini zangu, spices zangu, mtoe tu. Use the whole weka kitunguu, ginger, garlic, the natural things, kitunguu, ginger, garlic. Weka hoho, weka courgette, weka birighanya, hivyo. Itakuwa thick bado because of the birighanya, okay? And it will be okay. Lakini imagine weke tu kidogo, then it will be an original chicken curry without spices. But this one is spiced up. So that was an envy for the people who don't use spices on their homes. Yeah, because you have to consider everyone who uses spices. For watu wa spices kama mimi, I just love spices kabisa. Use this. If you don't love spices, use the whole recipe, but usitumie spices and the chicken will be okay. And so guys, after chicken yako venye imeboil, you can taste it. I love tasting my food. No niko sure what I'm giving my family is 100%. So the salt is okay, but unajua mimi like 1 full teaspoon of salt. Kama unapenda more salt, just add hapa, then nipate dakika 2 even. Unajua by the way salt is not good, ati unaweka chakula alafu unaweka salt juu. Hiyo ni ugonjwa. Hiyo unajitakia ugonjwa. So just put it there, watch it boil up for 2 minutes, then it's okay. But for me, the salt is okay. And now we'll be putting the last ingredient, which is the Dhania. And for me, at Boss Lady's Kitchen, what we do, atuyekangi kama moto iko on. So chakula siko sawa, imeiva vizuri. Zima, eka Dhania. Okay, ikiiva inanga hiyo nini, this nice scent and the nice aroma. So you put it, niweka tu hapo juu na garnish. Then naikoroga vizuri nicely, ishike kila mahali. And yeah, the food is okay and ready to be eaten. How's the soup, guys? You see, hakuna maji, a thick soup. Now this is what we call chicken curry by Boss Lady's Kitchen. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, so guys, we are back, and this time we are back with the results. So this is the chicken curry that I was cooking, and these are the results of the chicken curry, the delicious chicken curry, the yummiest, as you can see pia how is it? And the presentation, as you can see, even the presentation with the madam, presentation So guys, these are the final results, and I hope you guys will love it. And of course, try the recipe. And if you try the recipe, kindly take a picture. Just take a picture. Nitumie. Kama ni WhatsApp, nitumie mimi. You have my number. If it's Instagram, my followers, my beautiful followers, just take the picture and send to me, and I'll repost it on my Instagram account and mention you or tag you. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and of course like, share, comment, and I'll reply all the comments. By the way, I don't snub people on Boss Lady's Kitchen. I reply all the comments, and you can even tell me what you want me to cook next. Okay, anything, ideas. Guys, after cooking the chicken curry, the delicious chicken curry by yours truly, Boss Lady's Kitchen, will be definitely, I have a new visitor, I have a guest for the day. And let's welcome our guest, Mr. Dante.
Yes. Thank you. Corona. Corona.
Sorry.
So mimi ndo nitakuwa nafanya testing ama?
Na social distancing.
Social distancing, very important.
Yes.
Yeah, am I in that shot?
Yeah.
Thank you. So,
Okay, now as you know, tukileta guest lazima akule. Unajua guest akujangi hapa alafu tunampea matamani nini. Lazima sasa yeye akule atushow kama boss lady ameweka omo, ama amepitisha chumvi, kama iko na mamaji za Wakikuyu.
Ndio hivyo sasa. Lazima tujue hii meal yenye tumeshinda tukimbia hapa all day.
Ndio, you tell us.
It's up to class. By the way, I like the presentation. The presentation is awesome.
Thank you so much.
That's boss lady.
Thank you so much. I'm humble.
Kitchen.
Yes.
We're here. It's about to go down.
Yeah. So, Mr. Dante, take us through. Tachukua chicken. Mpaka ako na options, anachukua yoyote yenye anataka. Kama ni ka steak, kambu, kokote tu, then he'll be. Mpaka anaomba. Tuanze na maombi. Okay.
So, thank you so much.
You're most welcome.
So, wacha tuone. Hata sijaoga mikono, but it's allowed.
Johnson
not aware.
All right.
Guys, so subscribe to the channel. I must say this is very delicious.
Thank you.
Okule
kwa macho.
So thank you guys. Also remember to subscribe to my channel, Dante Kang's hapo. That's your friendly channel. See you. Thank you.
Okay, you're most welcome. And that's the end of the video. Don't forget, Jesus Christ, to subscribe to Boss Lady's Kitchen. Kwenye tunapika mautamu, mavitu tamu hapa. You see our guest amefurahi, ashamaliza dakika moja ijaisha. You see, so that means mautamu. Tunapika next week.
Unaweza kuwa tester. Unajua sasa mimi unaweza kuwa unanitumia kama food poisoning sample. Food poisoning sample. That's my title from today.
So kwa tunakuita mara mingi sana, tutakuwa wa guest ukionja hapo. Wewe tutafanya mavitu mingi sana.
Nasikia githeri, tafadhali nisiitwe.
Utakuwa around.
I'll be very busy.
You'll be busy, you'll be in a meeting.
Yeah, I'll be in a meeting.
Alright guys, na msisahau sana
don't forget to subscribe
kwa channel yake. He has a YouTube channel. This one is our family. Mr. Dante. So don't forget, by the way, to subscribe to his channel. All my subscribers, twende hivi sote, sisi tu, twende YouTube, search Dante Kangs, okay? Hit the subscription button, but there is a good gym instructor.
Like.
Mr. Enda mwende vitu, ala nachokuambia, endeni mkaone. Sawa?
Hapo na msisahau kusubscribe hapo sana.
Msisahau, okay? And we love you, our people. Love you so much, and may God bless you. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Bye.